Hey everyone, this is Priyal and today I'm gonna be teaching you all like how to get your own whiteboard app in Kodular. Nowadays, whiteboard app is very important because many people, many teachers, many colleges, and yeah, they may use the whiteboard app to teach the students. So I've decided that why not to create it. So yeah, we will be using Kodular for this thing. You can click on Create Project and name it as Whiteboard. Fine. All right. We can change these credentials if you want, but yeah, there's nothing for it. Even we can change it further. Fine. Okay. Now first of all, what we want, let's remove this screen one from here. So just change this text. I'm changing it to whiteboard. Simple thing. But yeah, if you guys like interested to change it more, then also you can. Actually, my laptop is hanging a lot. I don't know why. Fine. So theme, you guys can change. I guess dark theme will look fine. Sizing everyone you can. Done. Now what we wanna do? So yeah. First of all, we'll come on the layout section, come on general, and there is the option of horizontal arrangement. So drag it and drop it here. Fine. And you can like simply make its width as filtering. Fine. Now we can come on user interface, and here I want some buttons. So just place it here, just inside them, inside the horizontal arrangement. That's it. Okay, it's coming. I don't know why. Yeah, we'll manage it. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, so here you have seen it. I've just arranged these three buttons here. Okay, now what we're gonna be doing is we have to remove all these text here because there is no need for them. Fine. So you can simply change the background color like and changing it to pink, kind of that. Whatever you guys want to change it, then that thing you can. Shape also like I guess rectangular will be fine. Text also remove the text from here. Done. Okay, I can make it here. And yeah, what about this one? So simply I'll suggest you to make these all fill pairing. Shape is rectangular. Text just remove it. Fine. And your background color as you can take purple like that. Let's just remove it to fill pairing so that everything can come purple. Fine. Background color I'm making is yellow. I think it will look pretty cool. Okay, and text just remove it. Shape you can make it as rectangular. Fine. And here I've done one more thing that I've taken these all aligned in as center. But yeah, I'm changing it because there's no need for them. Yeah. Now here also if you wanna add more buttons then also you guys can add many buttons whatever you want to add. Like here I'm making it to green like that. Fine. Like this you can add many more buttons like whatever you are interested in the buttons, those buttons you can simply add here. Fine. Decide on one here. First of all, just quickly change its background color and all those things. Make it to this one. This one. Yeah. And you can place it here. So I'm just taking these colors only. If you are more interested then also you can add more colors. Fine. So deep orange is also this thing. Text just remove it. Fine. So yeah, if you want to add more colors also then also you guys can. Now here I want two more buttons. 1 and 2. Fine. And yeah, this screen one I'm making it as this thing. Your left one is center. So that these buttons can come in center. Fine. So color you guys can change. I'm making it as red. Phone size is 20. Like if you are interested in that, and I'm making it like this. Shape is rounded. Text I'm making is clear. Fine. And this one with like this shape I'm making is rounded only text. If you want the section for about developer, then you can add. Fine. Okay. Next thing is that I'm making it as phone bold. Phone size again I'm making it as 20. And the thing that is your background color, you guys can change if you want. Like green one, I guess will look nice. Fine. Now here, I want one more thing. You can come on your drawing and animation, and you can drag and drop on canvas here. Fine. So yes, height is I'm making this of this one only, and width also same like this. Fine. Here a user can draw, and I'm making it as 4.0. Fine. Okay, so here we have done with the designing part, and if you want to design more, then also you guys can. Now I'm directly coming on the block section. First of all, let's do the coding for our colors. This one is button 2, this one is your button 1, okay, this is your button number 2, fine. So, click on this button 2 and take it here, and now here what we want to come on our canvas. Where is it? Yeah, here, yeah, fine. So from here we want set canvas paint color, so drag and drop the block, this one. Okay, this one, just place it here like this. Now here what I want, so there is the option of this color also, I guess. Yeah, here. So you can like change your color, like whatever color you've chosen here. I guess I've chosen pink one. Yeah. So I can change it to pink. Come on, it colors, and yeah. Here I'm changing it to pink. You can place it here. And now I'm just like duplicating it. One, again, again, again. So whatever times we have done it, we have to duplicate it like that. Fine. Now what we wanna do, so this one I'm making it as button number 1. This is our button number 3. This your button number 4. This as your button number 5. Fine. I'm not sure what are the buttons. 1. This is your button 2, button 1, button 3, button 4, button 5. Okay, we have one more button. It says button number 6. Fine. So for that we have to duplicate it again and make it as button number 6. Fine. Now let's change the colors. Okay. This one, this is your button number 1, which is purple. Make it as purple. You can make it as, okay, fine. And next thing is this yellow. That's our button number 3. So you can make it as yellow. Where is it? Okay. Next thing is what? So next thing it is the green color. It is our button number 4. So here is it. Green. You can change it. And next thing is what? This is your blue one, which is our button number 5. Button number 5. Let's make it as blue. 5. And this one I'm gonna make it as, I guess, orange. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's orange only, no? Fine. Done. Now what I want, let's do for the coding for this button also clear. And yeah, I'm not doing the coding of about developer because if you want to do its coding, then also you can. But I'm not doing it currently. Fine. So clear buttons ID is what? I guess button number 7. Fine. Okay, so make it as your button number 7. When button 7 click do what I want. Come on canvas one. Here is the option, this one. Call canvas one dot clear. Fine. Now let's do the coding for our canvas. Alright. Okay, now what you're gonna do, again come on your block section and come on this canvas one. So here drag this thing and drop it here. I can make it here. Yeah. So you can place it here like wherever you wanna place it, you can. Now, again, come on your canvas one. Okay, here it is. So there you'll be getting the option of draw line. So place it here now. And now what you're gonna do, so there is the option. There is the option of this one, pre X. So when you just place it here, okay, it's not coming. Okay, so just drag, place it here, and you can see it is get prev X. That is get previous one X. Fine. Now I'll just duplicate it all the times. So just duplicate it one, got this one, two. Okay, just now place it here one, this one here, and again duplicate it. Fine. Now what we're gonna do? So this is pre X and make it as pre Y. Fine. And this make it as your current X, and this is your current Y. All right. Now come on this canvas one again. Okay. So there is the option of set canvas one. Okay. I'm not able to see it. Just give me a quick minute. Here. Okay, so just place it here. Set canvas dot line width 2. Fine. Now here what you want, you can simply come on your math. Okay. So in the math you'll be getting this first one. Your 0, so just place it here. Alright. So you can make it as your line with like whatever you are interested in your line with. I'm making it as 5 because I think 5 will look like pretty cool. Fine. So yeah, this is all the coding, and yeah, this is all for today. I hope you guys like this video. And now the next thing is how to test our app. So even you guys can test it. Okay, so just click on test, click on connect to companion. He'll be getting this QR code. So users have to download an app known as MIT8 Companion from Google Play Store or App Store. Even you can download its emulator in your desktop, laptop, or like whatever you are using. Fine. So you can scan this QR code and your app will automatically redirect it on your mobile phone. That's it. That's it for today. And yeah, very soon WhatsApp app is coming. WhatsApp app in Coda Authority as well as Zomato app in Coda Authority. They are very soon coming. So make sure you subscribe my channel, and yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.